Crisis na naman! Puro firefighting ka ba sa business mo, anak? Sira ang delivery truck. Delayed na naman ang orders. Lagi bang ganito ang eksena sa business mo? Alam mo, anak, let me tell you about my friend Glory. Dati, proud siya kasi magaling siyang mag-solve ng problems. Fighting fires. Kayang-kaya niya yan. But there was a time na 3 linggo siyang nagka-problema sa delivery. Week 1, nasira ang truck. Week 2, nagkasakit ang driver. Week 3, heavy traffic dahil merong rally. Ang ending, nawalan siya ng malaking customer kasi hindi na sila nakapaghintay. That's when she learned how to do this. First, plan ahead. Ilista ang mga aberya na pwedeng mangyari. Second, ready ang mga backup plans. Pangatlo, evaluate risks regularly. Pang-apat, verify yung mga systems and processes. Pang-5, establish safety nets. Pang-6, network with reliable partners. Lastly, pang-7, train the team for emergencies. Ilista, what could go wrong? How likely is it to happen? Ano kaya ang impact nun? Ano kayang dapat nating action na gawin? Anong action plan? Basta may sistema tayo para sa lahat, you won't be fighting fires. Remember, it's about being prepared when problems come. Kaya, be more proactive and not reactive. That's what it is to be business-minded, Pinoy.